If you're an athlete or you're just someone that needs to be able to relax after a long day of work, the best way of doing it is having some type of home spa treatment that you can treat yourself to. And Mountrax here makes this foot massager, which is a great way to relieve any type of stress that you may have on your feet. Also is great for recovery if you're an athlete. And today I'm just going to walk you through how this works and talk through some of the features and functions that makes this a great product that you want to have in your home, especially if you're looking for a way to relax, treat yourself, or recover your feet. So real quick, let's talk about the actual setup here. Very simple, very compact. It allows you to very easily store it away. So if you want to keep it underneath your bed, a dresser, closet, it's not going to take up a lot of space. But don't let the size fool you. This will fit up to a size, a men's US 12 foot. So again, you have a lot of space to accommodate most foot size. And then again, you have a cover, easily to remove if you need to clean it. And then on the bottom, you have suction cup foot. So if you want to use it on a hardwood surface, it's going to allow it to adhere and not slip while you're using it, which I think is a nice to have because again, safety first. But let's walk through some of the features and functions which makes this thing great, which, something you would want to have in a foot massager. Obviously, it's going to come with kneading with two modes, low and high. Allows you to, it's going to rotate 360 degrees. It's going to work all parts of your foot continuously. And so, again, think of like a back massage. This is going to be the exact same way, but on the bottom of your foot. Very relaxing, very soothing. And then now you also have an air compression. 3 modes, low, medium, high. This is great if you are looking for relief stress for your muscles, any type of tension you have. This is a great way to address that. You also have a heating element to it where this will heat up to 113 degrees Fahrenheit. And then it does have two modes for a timer, 15 minutes and 30 minutes, which again, you don't have to hold yourself to that timer. You can use it for as long as you want to in order to satisfy what you're needing from your foot massage. So I'm just going to show you real quick how it works, how it sounds, and again, why I like this here so much, as well as, other members of my family. So again, super easy. You plug it in, it has a little adapter, plug it AC, and slip your feet in, and then you just simply power it on. You're going to have your blue LED lights pop up. And what I'm going to do is this already has the heat, the kneading, and air compression on. And really, that's all you need to do. Now, based on what you're wanting out of your foot massage for that day, you can turn them on and off. So you're not having to use all 3 features, which I think is great. Because again, your recovery might be different, your relaxation may be different, so go with what you're needing in that moment. But as you can hear, it has a little humming sound to it, very soothing. The air compression going. And I'll show you exactly how to. See if it shows up on the camera here, but that orange glow is indicating that the heat is on. So if I turn that off, you see it's not on anymore. The air compression, as you can see, that's is working around your foot, and then I'm gonna turn that off, and that will, the compression will start to relieve, and then you have the kneading. That again, that's rotating 360 degrees. And then when you're done using it, power it off, and you're good to go. Again, this is great for any athlete. Again, I play basketball twice a week as well as coach soccer. So after being on my feet, this is a great way to unwind, relieve some of the. I've had pain in my foot before from playing basketball, and this is a great way for me to unwind and recover after a session. And again, doesn't matter what you may do, this is a great way to unwind and relax. My kids like it, my wife loves it, and this is something that you will want to use daily, because all it takes is trying it one time and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. So check them out. Again, this is the Mountrax foot massager. It has a built-in air compression with 3 modes, along with kneading with 2 modes. You have heating up to 115 degrees, 113 degrees Fahrenheit, and also has a timer built into it. You know, you can set it for 15 or 30 minutes. Very compact. Can store when you're done using it. You can slide underneath your desk if you're working while wanting to get a foot massage. A number of different ways how you might be able to use this here. And again, this is a great way to have a home spa-like treatment with a fraction of the cost, and can use it every day.